Have you ever wanted to invest in Bitcoin without dealing with crypto wallets or complicated technology? That's exactly what a Bitcoin ETF allows. It gives investors exposure to Bitcoin through a traditional investment account. That's exactly what a Bitcoin ETF allows. It gives investors exposure to Bitcoin through a traditional investment account. Buying a Bitcoin ETF is often simpler than buying Bitcoin directly, because you can invest through a regular brokerage account. Many investors choose Bitcoin ETFs because they fit easily into a diversified investment portfolio alongside other assets. Another advantage is convenience. You can buy and sell Bitcoin ETF shares during normal stock market trading hours, just like many other exchange-traded investments. While Bitcoin ETFs are easier to access, it's important to remember that their value still follows Bitcoin's price movements. Like any investment, Bitcoin ETFs also carry risk. Because they follow Bitcoin's market price, their value can rise or fall over time. Bitcoin ETFs may be worth exploring for investors who want Bitcoin exposure through a traditional investment account and are comfortable with market risk. Before investing, always understand how the investment works, learn about the risks, and make decisions based on your own financial goals. Let's compare spot Bitcoin to a Bitcoin ETF. With physical Bitcoin, you directly own the digital asset. An ETF lets you invest through a regular brokerage account. Both offer exposure, but through completely different structures. So, what's the difference? Buying Bitcoin means you own the digital asset itself. Buying a Bitcoin ETF means you own shares of a fund that tracks Bitcoin's price. Many investors prefer Bitcoin ETFs because they offer a familiar investing experience through a regular brokerage account without managing crypto wallets or private keys. Bitcoin ETFs can be an option for beginners and experienced investors alike. The right choice depends on your financial goals, investment timeline, and comfort with market risk. Many investors build diversified portfolios by combining different types of investments. Diversification can help manage overall risk because different assets may perform differently over time. Before investing in any asset, take time to understand your financial goals. Understand your risk tolerance and your long-term investment plan. Learning first can help you make more informed decisions. If you're interested in a Bitcoin ETF, the process usually starts with opening a brokerage account, researching available funds, and understanding how each fund works before making any investment decision. Before choosing a Bitcoin ETF, review the fund's objective, understand its fees, check trading activity, and read the available fund information. Taking time to research can help you make more informed investment decisions. One of the biggest mistakes new investors make is expecting quick profits. Successful investing often requires research, patience, and a long-term mindset instead of emotional decisions. Short-term price movements can be unpredictable. Many investors focus on long-term goals instead of reacting to every market change. A clear plan and patience are often important parts of successful investing. Let's quickly recap. Bitcoin ETFs provide exposure to Bitcoin brokerage account without requiring a crypto wallet. Investment, they involve risk, so always take time to understand what you're investing in. If you're just getting started, begin by learning how Bitcoin ETFs work. Read official fund information, understand the risks and costs, and compare your options before making any investment decision. Risk management is an important part of investing. Diversifying your portfolio, investing responsibly, and staying focused on your long-term goals can help you navigate changing market conditions. There's no single investment that's right for everyone. Whether a Bitcoin ETF fits your portfolio depends on your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and how long you plan to invest. Today, you learned what a Bitcoin ETF is, how it works, its benefits, and the risks to understand. The more you learn before investing, the more confident your decisions can become. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to Capital Compass for simple, easy-to-understand videos about Bitcoin, ETFs, investing, and personal finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helped you better understand Bitcoin ETFs. In our next video, we'll explore the S&P 500 and why it's one of the world's most popular investments. See you next time.